Hello guys, I actually want to show you how to create a lake house within Microsoft Fabric. And to actually do that, you actually need to be in a workspace. So I already have a test demo workspace created here. And if not, if you have a separate workspace that you want to create a work house, you can go to the workspace icon here and click on the test workspace, and here I am in my test demo workspace. I'm just going to go to new item and search for the lake house, or you can actually use the filter pane at the top to type lake house to be fast. That's actually faster. I'm going to actually click on lake house and I'll call it new project lake house. Project lake house. And I'm going to create it right now. So here we are within our lake house. We can see the various activities we can get started with. Also, if you want to go back to see what has been created, we can go back to our test demo here, and we can see for our lake house a semantic model was created and also an SQL endpoint created for us. Thank you.